All right, so we are going to expand and simplify this expression. And I'm going to start off by multiplying the coefficient of each bracket, each set of brackets, to all the terms inside the brackets. So starting off, I have 2x, and then 2 times -4, so minus 8. And then over here we have plus 5x, and plus 5 times 3, plus 15. And then I group the like terms together. I have a 2x and a 5x. So together they become 7x. And -8 plus 15. So 15 minus 8 is 7. Plus 7. And we can actually factor this because you see that there's 7 multiplied to both terms. So this would be 7 times, this is 7 times x, so x plus 1. And that's it.